Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain common malfunctions in Nissan Sentras. We'll start by identifying typical problems you might encounter, like an engine misfire or a hesitant transmission. It's crucial to pay attention to your vehicle's signals. Keep an eye out for any illuminated dashboard warning lights, especially the check engine light, and listen carefully for unusual noises like squealing brakes or grinding sounds. These early indicators can help you address issues promptly and prevent further damage. Once you suspect a problem, the next step is diagnosis. Begin by checking all essential fluid levels, including your engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid, ensuring they are within the recommended range. Also, inspect your tire pressure and tread depth. Proper inflation is vital for safety and fuel efficiency. For electronic issues, an OBD2 scanner is invaluable. It can retrieve diagnostic trouble codes, providing specific insights into what might be going wrong with your Sentra systems. Many common Sentra issues have straightforward solutions you can handle yourself. For instance, a dirty air filter can significantly impact engine performance and fuel economy. Replacing it is a quick fix. If you're experiencing electrical problems, cleaning corroded battery terminals can often restore a strong connection. Also, regularly topping off low fluid levels, like windshield washer fluid or power steering fluid, helps maintain your vehicle's smooth operation and prevents minor inconveniences from escalating. While many minor issues are DIY-friendly, knowing when to call a professional is crucial for your safety and your Sentra's longevity. If you're facing complex engine or transmission problems, or if persistent warning lights remain illuminated after your attempts at basic fixes, it's time to consult a certified mechanic. Furthermore, any issues with your brake system or steering should be addressed immediately by a qualified technician, as these directly impact your vehicle's safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.